Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. So this video is very entertaining and helpful for you because this video is about elephant cross stitch pattern. This video is for elephant lover, wild animal lover. So watch the video till end. This video is very unique and helpful for your next cross stitch project. In this video I will give you many simple and complex design of elephant cross stitch pattern. One tip that I will give you in this video that always start with a simple design, then move to the complex design. So this video is very unique because I will give you many simple as well as complex elephant cross stitch patterns. So before start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. So, what is elephant pattern? Elephant patterns refers to design featuring elephant often created for various crafts, including needlework, cross stitch, embroidery, needlepoint, and tapestry. Other crafts, sewing, quilt bags, knitting, scarves and hats, paper crafting, cards, scrapbook, painting, watercolor, acrylic. Pattern types realistic elephants, cartoon style elephants, abstract elephant designs, tribal inspired elephant patterns, and whimsical elephant illustration. Design elements elephant silhouettes, African Asian elephant designs, floral leaf patterns, geometric shape and textures. Tusk theme wildlife conservation, African Asian cultures, good luck, fortune, family bonding, wisdom, and intelligence. Complexity level beginner friendly, simple designs, intermediate, moderate details, advanced, intricate details, and shading. Popular sources Pinterest, craft pattern books, and specialty craft shop. Elephant patterns make wonderful project for your home decor, gifts, personalized items, charity project. So, here are some specific design ideas incorporating your new project. So, let's start it. First of all, elephant silhouette. Elephant silhouette is a simple outline for an elephant's body. Silhouetted elephant herd. Elephant silhouette with sunset background. Minimalist elephant outline with geometric patterns. Elephant silhouette with inspirational quote. African Asian elephant design is realistic African elephant with savanna background, Asian elephant with Indian inspired patterns, tribal inspired African elephant designs, elephant family with African Asian inspired textiles, stylized elephant with traditional African Asian motifs, floral leaf patterns, elephants surrounded by tropical flowers, leafy wreath around elephant's head, floral crowns on elephant's tusk. Elephant is a garden with blooming flower. Watercolor style elephant with floral background. Geometric shapes, geometric elephant with chevron pattern, elephant with polka dots, tribal inspired geometric elephant designs, abstract elephant with geometric shape, elephant with geometric shape, tusks, textures, realistic elephant with detailed sprinkles, elephant with texture, tusks and rough skin, close up of elephant's wrinkled trunk, elephant with intricate tusk details, watercolor style, elephant with subtle texture. Combination ideas elephant silhouette with floral crown and geometric background, African elephant with realistic texture and tribal inspired pattern, Asian elephant with geometric shape, tusk and leafy breadth, elephant with geometric patterns and inspirational coat, watercolor style elephant with floral background and subtle texture. Would you like more ideas or specific design? Please leave the comment in the comment section. So let's talk about the characteristics of elephant patterns. Visual characteristics: large ears, tusks, trunks, wrinkled skin, African Asian elephant features, realistic or stylized depictions, vibrant or muted colors. Design element, geometric shape, floral pattern, texture, tusk wrinkles, abstract patterns, shapes, cultural symbols, whimsical illustrations. Theme, wildlife conservation, African Asian cultures, good luck, fortune, family, bonding, wisdom, intelligence, spiritual growth, protection, strength. These were the themes of elephant cross stitch pattern. So, here are some design ideas and inspiration for each theme. Family bonding, elephant family portraits or groups, mother child elephant designs, heartwarming quotes about family or love, images of elephant embracing or touching, trunks, soft, warm color palettes. Wisdom, intelligence, elephant designs with ancient, wise expressions, images of elephants with books or scrolls, quotes about wisdom, knowledge, or intelligence. Elephant in contemplative or meditative poses, muted, earthy color tones. Wildlife conservation design featuring endangered elephant species, elephant in natural habitats, forests and savannas, conservation themed quotes or slogans, images of elephants with broken chains or freed from captivity, collaborations with conservation organizations. African Asian culture, traditional African or Asian patterns and textiles, elephant designs inspired by tribal art, cultural symbols and motifs, e.g., Adinkra and Mandalas, images of elephant in cultural ceremonies or rituals, incorporating traditional colors and material. Good luck fortune elephant with four-leaf clovers or lucky charm. Elephant designs with auspicious colors, each red and gold. Good fortune themed code or phrases. Images of elephant with coins or treasures. Whimsical, playful design. Protective and strength. Elephant designed with shield or protective symbols, images of elephant standing guard or defending, elephant with powerful dynamic poses, bold, vibrant color scheme, elephant. These themes can be combined or intertwined to create unique and meaningful design. So let's talk about pattern. Solid color, gradient strips and polka dots. These was the patterns of elephant cross stitch pattern. Solid color monochromatic elephant color design and polka dots, solid colored elephant with contrasting tusk, elephant with solid color background, minimalist elephant design with single color, gradient ombre effect elephant with fading color, gradient colored elephant with natural transition, elephant with sunset inspired gradient background, metallic gradient elephant with shiny effect, stripped elephant with horizontal or vertical strips, elephant with zebra inspired strips, diagonal striped elephant with dynamic look, polka dot elephant with playful polka dots, polka dot patterns elephant with bright colors. So this is for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question related to this video, leave the comment in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Allah